Okay, guys, we're going to be working on solving logarithmic equations. This is lesson 7.7. Okay, notes. Now, basically what you're going to do here is it's going to be very similar to what we've done in the past, except for we were solving exponentials. So if you read right here, equivalent bases, all right? So when you're looking at a log, okay, and you're solving it, one of the first things you want to look at is see if they have equivalent bases. So let's go ahead and fill in this vocab. Again, that's just equivalent bases. So I'm just going to put an arrow right there. Okay. So log b of whatever it is, let's just say it's x is equal to log b of x. Again, what that basically means is that we can drop the logs and just rewrite the equation as a linear function and then just solve from there. Okay, so like we did before in the past lessons. All right, so if you look right here on A, this would be log 2, this one's log 2, mark them off. 5x minus 9 is equal to 2x plus 6. And you can solve it two different ways. You can either solve it by hand, or you guys can solve it by function 1 and function 2. It doesn't matter whichever way you want to do it. Okay, but you end up getting x is equal to 5. Same thing right here on B when you have natural logs. So the LNs can cross out. Leaves you with x over 2 is equal to 4x minus 7. Again, you could solve this by hand, okay, or function 1 this side and then function 2 that side. Again, when you do that, you'll get x is equal to 2. All right, so the other way, and it just shows you by steps right here, is solve by graphing. Again, you guys should know how to solve by graphing. It's not a hard thing to do. Okay, so when you solve by graphing, again, if I looked at this equation, I noticed that this other side doesn't have a log, so there's nothing I can do to the equation. So I would go function 1 would be log 2 of x plus 1. Make sure it's in parentheses. And then the other one would be just number 3. All right. Now, when you do this, okay, shouldn't be hard thing to do, but you would have got the line. One of the lines that would have been running straight across on 3, and then your other line would have came through the center. Came through the center right here, and then it would have curved, and they should have hit it. Should have hit right here. Again, to find that intersection point, you're going to use menu 64. That gives us the information there. So the intersection point was, like I said, 7 and 3. We don't want the intersection point as the answer. The answer is just the x. So this would be x is equal to 7. Okay. Pretty simple stuff there. Now, go ahead and move on to practice A. Okay. Give me a second right quick. I'm getting my practice A pulled up. Erase this stuff. All right, starting with practice A right here at the top. Okay, go ahead and do number 1. So if you look at number 1 right here, what are you guys noticing? Okay, there's no log on both sides, so this is where you would do function 1 and function 2. Probably gonna have to zoom out quite a bit on this one, and then you should have gotten x is equal to 343. Okay, go ahead and look at number 2 now. What do you notice about number 2? Okay, hey, they both got log. Again, function 2, function 1, function 2. When you do that, you get x equals 4. Okay. All right, scroll down a little bit. Going down here to number 5. Again, look right here. So we're going to cross these two out. You get x over 4 is equal to x minus 3. So they have the same basis. We'll go ahead and cross them out and then do the work. Okay. So on 5, you get x equals 4. Now, number 6 right here. Okay. Again, when I look at this problem right here, I see my log, but there's not a log here. So again, automatically I know I'm going function 1, function 2. So here's my f1. Here's my f2. Okay. And then I'll get x is equal to 80. All right. And I think the last one I got them to do, or got you guys to do, is number 8. Okay. So again, log 2 right here. And again, if you can't solve this by hand, function 1, function 2 it, and then it'd be x is equal to 3 would be your final. So just a quick recap right fast. Basically, whenever you're solving logarithmics, there's going to be 2 types that you're going to be doing is whenever they have the same base. So that means when they have the same log with the subscript number. There's a way to do that one. And then if it doesn't have log on both sides, that's the other way. You're still going to use function 1 and function 2 on both of them, even if you don't know how to solve them by hand. But that way you at least can break the problem down a little bit easier for yourself. And that's kind of how your guys are going to be doing this lesson. Again, y'all take it easy, and I will see y'all tomorrow.